that's the other leg. So we're gonna attach this to the other leg. So we're gonna take this particular one, and then we're gonna put it in here, and the other side will go in there. So at this point we have something like this. We have something like this. So you can see this little bit is in here, and the other side is in there. So we're gonna go ahead and take this longer bit, this one. It's got a hook here, and it's got a hook on the other side as well. So we're gonna have to put it in here and in here. So make sure the hook is facing down. Make sure this hook is facing down. Just gonna push this in like this. Good. You can hear the click. And then we're gonna do the other side as well. You can hear the click as well. So at this stage, this is what we have. So we're gonna try to stretch out the cord. As you can see, here is the cord. Yeah, so the bedside cord itself. We're gonna try to stretch it out. We are going to be using this tool to hold the cords on the sides. I will be showing you. So I'm just going to try to fix the creep properly. So what I want to do is take this, make sure you're bringing it over this, bring it over. See, just like that. I'm going to do the same for the other side. Because I'm using one hand, and that's why, so I can hold my phone. Just put it all around the bar. Make it neat and tidy like this. So at this point, this is what I have. So I'm now going to lock it up with all the buckles you can see here. Gonna lock it up now. Yeah. You're just gonna lock it round. Just clip the buckles around the creep, you know. So you're just going to try and fold the cord to the side. Make sure you're looking for this point here, and you're looking for the other point here, and then there's also this point you're looking out for, this particular point here. So I have one of those short poles that I showed you earlier. So remember, I would make sure that I put in. So at this point, I want to make sure that I'm putting in this one. At this point, I want to make sure that I'm sliding it in properly here to hear a click. So sure you press down something like this. So this is what you have, and I want to come all the way down here to make sure that this bit goes right into this, more like a lock. So you're gonna have something like this. You're gonna put this in here, right in here, and then you're gonna have something like this, like a lock like this. Does that make sense? So it locks up like this, if that makes any sense. Okay, so we're gonna do the same for the other side. I'm gonna pick up the other one, and then I'm going to slide it in here, just like this, until I hear the click. And then I'm gonna do the same for this little bit on the side here to lock it up like this. So at this point, I have successfully created the shape for the bedside crib. So I will now need to spread out the crib, or let's just say the bag for the crib, and then start to lock it up here. As you can see, we've got like buckles to lock up here and stuff. So you want to just turn the crib around so we can buckle the crib at the bottom as well. So we just got this. Yeah. Just gonna buckle that, something like that. I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. So the crib now. So we're going to pick up the cord now and attach it to the frame here. So I'm looking out for this to go into there, and I'm looking out for this to go into here. Now remember, you want to face the slide area, the area you can slide up and down. You want to face it to the bed. So at this point, I'm just going to attach this one. So at this point, I'm just going to attach the cord to the stand. So once you attach it, you're going to hear a click. Once you attach it on both sides, make sure it is tight enough. As you can see, this is what we have at the moment. So the next thing I want to do is to put the foam right into the cord. Wow, it's looking all good. So guys, there you go. that's how you fix the Next2Me Magic baby crib, bedside baby crib. So just as you can see, so if I want to swing the baby, all I need to do is to come here, press down this, then I can swing the baby. As you can see, so now I'm swinging. If you want to make it fixed, just press this down, this one here, to bring back this knob. Press this one here to bring back this knob. That's it, and it's stationed. It's not gonna swing. If I want to increase the length of the crib, you just want to press this and make sure your leg is pressing on this as well, on both sides. So I'm just gonna do that so you see what I mean. So my leg is pressing on that, and I'm gonna press on this as well. So together, you see the side is raised up. I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. The other side is raised up as well. As you can see, it's gone up a bit. Remember to follow my channel. It's your boy JojoConnect. Here I try to create videos on making things easy for people. Stay tuned, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.